What's new, crew? If you're new, my name's Cassandra. Welcome back to my real life messy house. Today we are seasoning our Hexclad pans. My husband and I have a 10-year wedding anniversary just after Christmas, and my husband surprised me with this Hexclad set because they are on like a crazy sale for the holidays. So he ordered me, I don't know how much he ordered me honestly, but a ton of pans. I think I have almost the full Hexclad set, which is crazy. So today we are seasoning everything. I am using just a little bit of olive oil because that's what I have. I'm following the directions here that Hexclad sends with you with every single pan. So crazy. At the end of this video, we are also going to be cooking in some of these pans to test them out. And do I like these pans? Heck yeah, these are so nice. These are nicer than anything I have ever cooked on in my entire life. Through my entirety of my adult life, I have cooked on Walmart pots and pans, and if I was really stepping it up, I would find something on sale at TJ Maxx or something and be cooking in those, which I've had absolutely no problem with. I don't think it's altered the taste of my cooking at all. However, I can also appreciate a really beautiful pan when I have one. So that being said, are these necessary? Heck no, these are a luxury item. I'm so aware of that, and I am going to enjoy them. They do have a lifetime warranty, which is super exciting, and the fact that they're oven safe and all of the things. It's just really cool to have something a little bit higher quality in the kitchen. So I wanted to go ahead and give my cabinets a full reset, scrub everything out, figure out how all of this was going to fit in my tiny kitchen. But also I wanted to rearrange my kitchen a little bit because I kind of thought how I had been storing things previously wasn't maybe the most efficient way to store things in my kitchen. So I wanted to pull some things around, rotate some things, and hopefully make my kitchen function a little bit better, which is what I did here today. So this was a Saturday afternoon. My husband was working an overtime shift, and all of my kids were like very happily running around. So that's why you see me in my Saturday pajamas here. My house is kind of dirty in the background and whatnot, but that's just the real life of, you know, kids and houses and things like that. So while all my kids were happily entertained, I wanted to take a couple, like, I don't know, maybe an hour or so to kind of do this, just wipe everything out a little bit and try to put things away just a little bit better. It was like a 40% kitchen reset heading into the holidays, which I'm really happy I took the time to do. But on this day, I had also put a pork roast in the crock pot so that we could do pulled pork tacos. So I also didn't have to worry about dinner this day, which was super nice and kind of allowed me that extra time to go ahead and get this project done. And we're also going to be making some homemade sourdough tortillas for the first time. I've slowly gotten more into sourdough over the last couple of months here. Really enjoying it. So if you have any sourdough recipes I need to try, please let me know down below. My husband also got me these Hexclad mixing bowls, which are kind of fun. They have like a suction top on them for freshness. I haven't used them to store anything for like freshness yet, but I do use these later in the video to mix our tortillas. And honestly, I mean, I haven't used the whole like suction top thing. It's just like a mixing bowl. I mean, they're really no different than my mixing bowl set that you see back here in this cabinet that I got from Walmart. I also got a mixing bowl set for Christmas from Sam's Club one year as a gift. They're pretty comparable. It's just a mixing bowl, but with a fancier lid. So they do say that the bowls and the lids are dishwasher safe as long as you put the lids on the top rack. But I have not put any of my Hexclad anythings in the dishwasher. I'm just washing them by hand. They do say they're dishwasher safe, but something does not feel right about putting pans and bowls at this price range in the dishwasher. I'm just like super nervous about it. I don't want to do it. I'd rather take the time to hand wash these things because I don't want to ruin these. I've never had anything this fancy or like this high quality in my life, like literally ever. And I don't want to ruin them because I'm being lazy and I don't want to hand wash them. I want to put them in the dishwasher. So we made sure that we told our older girls who help load and unload the dishwashers that These things, like, don't load them in the dishwasher, just set them aside. Mom will come back behind you and hand wash these things because I am so nervous about these accidentally getting put in the dishwasher. So for our sourdough tortillas, this was a really easy recipe. This is a brand new recipe for me. I was a little nervous when I was making it because the dough comes together kind of like very similar to a pie crust with our butter here and our flour and our salt, and it's crumbly like a pie crust. And if you have been around here for any length of time, you know I'm not very good at pie crusts. Like that whole texture of things, even biscuits, it's just something that I'm just not very good at. Don't really know why, it's just one of those things. So I was a little nervous about it, but these come out wonderfully. I think these are the best tortillas I've ever made. I don't know if that has anything to do with the sourdough, if it has something to do with the butter, but they were so delicious. They were very pliable. They weren't very stiff. I don't really think it has anything to do with the Hexclad pans. I mean, it might, but you never know when you're changing like 2 or 3 different variables when you're trying something new for the first time. You don't really know what made it so good. But I did cook these tortillas on 2 separate Hexclad pans, and I definitely think that they cooked better in the skillet type of pan versus like this flat, almost like a griddle type pan. I think they cooked better in the skillet, to be honest. Don't really know why that is. I'm not an expert here, obviously, but we're gonna go ahead and knead out our sourdough tortillas here. So to register your Hexclad pans for the lifetime warranty, they send you a QR code in those little black little books that we were looking through earlier in the video. You scan the code and then you have to go in. Each pan has a serial number on it, like super teeny tiny. You have to type in your order number that you get in your email when they confirm that they're shipping you your pans. And then you have to type in your serial number off of each individual pan. And it took a little bit of time because you have to register them one by one. But here's where everybody, including myself, breaks out the tiny violin. Like, oh no, poor you. It took you a whole hour because you had to type in each individual serial number one by one. Like, nobody cares about the first world problem. I 100% understand that. So I'm not complaining. I'm just letting you know what the process was like. So what I ended up doing was I took a piece of paper and wrote down every single serial number and then what type of pan it was, because you have to also put in that information on the website. So you have to click your pan type, your serial number off the pan, and then your order number, and it registers it for you for that lifetime warranty. So it takes a little bit of time, but it made it a lot faster by just making sure that I had all that information written all down, and then was able to just sit down at the computer and plug it all in. Because my husband ordered so much, they sent him this free Hexclad knife. And can I be honest, this is the nicest knife I have ever used. You always hear people talking about how the knife is supposed to do the work. And with my little Walmart knives, even brand new, I was like, yeah, I'm doing a lot of this work. I don't understand what people mean. Using this Hexclad, I totally understand what people mean now. And I would love to get a full Hexclad knife set because these are so stinking nice. Now, I'm not going to do that anytime soon. I'm just not going to, but would I like it? Oh yeah. So chopping up some bacon, some mushrooms. We're throwing in our homemade burger patties here, and we're just letting that sizzle in the pan. So good. These pans clean up so well with the non-stick. They're fantastic. Here I'm making some cottage cheese in one of the pots. Absolutely loving these. Once again, do I think they're necessary? Heck no. But those are kind of my overall first impressions and thoughts after using these Hexclad pans for about a week or so. Let me know down below how you guys are doing today. I'd love to hear from you guys. Christmas is closing in. I know sometimes that means the stress is closing in on us as well. But don't worry guys, Christmas season is almost done. Hopefully we can find time to enjoy it. And I will see you guys in another Vlogmas video. Bye.